Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Before viewing, please like the video, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, let's go! At the beginning of 2020, the Bitcoin exchange rate fluctuated at the level of $8,000 or $9,000. Then experts say that the main digital coin is unlucky to show stable growth, and positive forecasts spoke only about reaching the mark of $20,000 by the beginning of 2021. But the reality was much more unaccepted, and the price of Bitcoin on January 1st excessed $29,000. And at the time of preparation of this material, the rate was set at $35,000. Bitcoin is a new generation of decentralized digital currency that is created and operates exclusively on the internet. Virtual coins are not controlled, and the issue of currency, the frequency, quantity and time of generation occurs through the operation of millions of computers around the world using a program to calculate mathematical algorithms. According to official version, the creators of Bitcoin are Satoshi Nakamoto, a person or a group of people who developed the cryptocurrency protocol. In fact, the developers of the virtual coin have not yet been established, which gives an undeniable plus. It remains independent and uncontrolled, free from external factors and deliberate manipulation of the exchange rate. The maximum issue is limited to 21 million. This provokes an artificial deficit, which puts Bitcoin on a level higher than a physical currency, the number of banknotes of which can be doubled by turning the printing press of a particular country. Bitcoin has been rising since March amid news of the developing coronavirus pandemic, when global stock markets and the price of oil crashed. Investors invested in cryptocurrency and risky assets in general on a wave of enthusiasm in connection with the development of vaccines and the preservation of incentive measures from the world's central banks. The Bitcoin network was launched on January 3, 2009. Its creator performed under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, but it has not yet been possible to identify him. At first, the cryptocurrency was known only in a narrow circle of IT specialists, but after a few years, Bitcoin indices and futures began to appear on stock exchanges, and the world's central bank began to talk about creating their own national cryptocurrencies. Such an active interest in Bitcoin led to an increase in its price in 2020. It increased by 3.95 times. We accept that in 2021 Bitcoin will reach levels significantly higher than the current ones. Positive forecast is in the third quarter of 2021 the value of Bitcoin will exceed the mark of $65,000 or $75,000. In 12 years, Bitcoin has grown from a little-known asset to an investment instrument worth almost $30,000 discussed by central banks. In 2021, its price will continue to grow and may reach a level in the range of $38,000 to $100,000. According to the interviewed experts, Mike McGlone, chief analyst at Bloomberg, said what are prospects for the world's most popular cryptocurrency in 2021. On his page in social network Twitter, the expert wrote that Bitcoin will become a more profitable investment in 2021 than gold. In 2021, the prospects for Bitcoin to fall to $20,000 are decline, writes McGlone. He doesn't rule out the Bitcoin will reach the $50,000 mark. Recall that in 2020, Bitcoin soared in price by 380%. By the eve of January 8, 2021, the world's most popular cryptocurrency overcame the 31,000 mark in auction. In November, the British investment fund Ruffer, which manages assets worth $27 billion, also invested in the cryptocurrency. The fund invested 2.5% of its assets in Bitcoin, CoinDesk reported. This profile publication quoted Ruffer's note to investors explaining why the fund invested in cryptocurrency. It follows the Ruffer see these investments as small but effective insurance against the ongoing devaluation of major world currencies. Bitcoin diversifies the fund's larger investments in gold and bond linkers, whose face value is indexed to value of inflation and acts as a hedge against monetary and markets risk, the publication said in note to investor. The Bitcoin exchange rate in 2021 may rise to $100,000, suggested by the former analyst of investment bank Bear Stearns and JP Morgan Tom Weiss. In a video posted on his YouTube channel, he noted that with a favorable development of events, we can accept the strengthening of the cryptocurrency to $200,000 and possibly up to $300,000. As a director of investment Guddenheim Partners Scott Minerd, the Bitcoin fundamental analysis conducted by specialists of the firm says about the fair price of Bitcoin at $400,000. We decided to invest in Bitcoin when it was worth $10,000. Now, such a decision is more difficult to make because BTC has reached $20,000. It's amazing how the rate of the first cryptocurrency has soared in such a short time. Our fundamental analysis suggests that Bitcoin should be worth about $400,000. We will keep an eye on the market, but certainly Guddenheim Partners is going to buy more Bitcoins, Minerd said. Now, an animated graph of Bitcoin behavior forecasts for 2021 is provided to your attention. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.